Welcome to Unlocking Passive Income, Mastering Affiliate Marketing Strategies for Financial Freedom. In this video, we'll dive into the world of affiliate marketing and show you how to generate passive income streams that can change your financial future. First, let's start with the basics. What exactly is affiliate marketing? It's a powerful business model where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. Affiliate marketing has the potential to provide you with a passive income stream, meaning you can make money while you sleep. But how can you maximize your success in this competitive field? We'll walk you through a variety of proven strategies that can help you thrive in affiliate marketing. From selecting the right niche to building a loyal audience, we'll cover it all. Creating compelling content is key to attracting and engaging your audience. We'll share tips on producing high-quality content that converts, as well as optimizing it for search engines to drive organic traffic. There are numerous affiliate marketing platforms and tools available that can streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. We'll introduce you to some of the top platforms and tools to help you leverage your affiliate marketing efforts. To inspire you on your journey, we'll share real-life success stories from individuals who have achieved financial freedom through affiliate marketing. These stories will show you what's possible and motivate you to take action. Now that you have the knowledge and tools to succeed, it's time to take action. Start implementing what you've learned and begin your affiliate marketing journey today. If you're ready to unlock the power of passive income and build a successful affiliate marketing business, don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description below to access our exclusive affiliate marketing training course and start your journey to financial freedom today.